We are on the Weeki Wachee River. When we work on the river, it's very enjoyable to be able to see the wildlife, the people on the river enjoying themselves. To come out here every day and work this river is an enjoyment. This river actually is the jewel of Hernando County. I'm Stephen Kelly. I'm a corporal with the Hernando County Sheriff's Office, and I'm in the Marine Division. When our deputies are patrolling the river, they're looking for safety on the vessels, depending on what they have. They need a life jacket, a whistle. We're also looking for alcohol. There's no alcohol on the river. You can't possess it, you can't drink it. There's a rope swing there. This one's been cut. We also look for the tree jumpers. If they're trying to jump out of trees, we tell them to get out of the trees. They're not allowed to do that.
We're thankful for the partnership between the district and the Hernando County Sheriff's Office. Their enforcement on the river helps prevent and reduce environmental impacts from illegal activities. My name is Viviana Bendixon. I'm the manager of the Surface Water Improvement and Management section. We want boaters and kayakers to enjoy their time on the river, but we want them to do it safely while reducing their impact to the river. We don't want visitors climbing and jumping from the trees. Each climb causes damage to the tree, and each jump also causes a small wave that erodes the riverbank away. Also, we want visitors to keep their trash with them and dispose of it properly, and to be aware of the vegetation beneath the surface and try to avoid it if possible.
We try to tell people to leave the deep water for their boats so they can maneuver in the kayaks and the canoes and everything go in the shallow water. We're trying to keep the props of the motors out of the shallow area to dig up the sand and get that moving, so we want to keep them in the deeper water. For the people that want to come out to the river and enjoy it, all they need to do is follow the safety rules. If you do have your cell phone, you can call the Sheriff's Office and report the incident, and one of our deputies on the river will take care of it.
We want folks to have a great time out on the river while still protecting it. A healthy Weeki Wachee River benefits us all.